Hi, I'm Tim Priebe with TNS in Oklahoma City. In this video, we're going to look at editing your WordPress menus. Many times when you create a new page, you'll want it to be in a menu. Your theme will have different menu spots. It may be up top, maybe down in the footer, maybe somewhere else entirely. You can see that our new test page, while it does appear in this menu down here in the footer, does not appear in this menu up top. So let's add it there. We'll go to the back end of our website, then to Appearances and Menus. Here we see our main menu. Beneath the items that actually appear in that menu, you can see a few settings. Number one, we can check this to automatically add new top-level pages to the menu. If that was the case, then the test page we created, being a top-level page, would have automatically been added to this menu. We can also have the same menu appear in the footer as well. So the locations that your theme has will vary, but those will appear down here. And we'll talk about widgets later, but menus can also be added to widgets. If your menu is in a widget, that is not going to be a checkbox that appears on here. Over here, we can view all pages available, search for a specific page, or look at the most recent. Different links and categories and other options are available as well. Let's add our test page. We'll check the box next to it and click on Add to Menu. Let's go ahead and drag it up so it appears in our menu right after Welcome. Now we can scoot it over a little bit, and then it will be a drop-down menu under our Welcome menu item. But let's go ahead and scoot it back. And let's click on Save. Now if we look at our website, we can see that Test Page is now in our menu up here. But let's say we want it to just be called Test. We don't actually have to change the name of the page, we can just change the name of the menu item. So let's go back into Appearance and Menus. And then on Test Page, we'll click this little drop-down arrow, and we'll change the navigation label to Test. Then we'll click on Save Menu. Now when we go back, we can see that it now says Test in the menu. Let's go back into our menus. Some websites will have support for one additional feature. If we click on Screen Option, let's check Description here. Now when we click this down arrow, you can see that there's a spot for a description. Occasionally, some of our websites that we create here at TNS Web Design, and some websites created elsewhere, will actually make use of this description field. So if your menu has some additional text and you can't figure out how to edit it, this may be where you actually edit that. We'll go ahead and turn that off since our theme does not use it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you might consider signing up for our email newsletter at tnsgo.com/newsletter. If you need any help with your online marketing, contact us to see if we might be a good fit. You can reach us at 405-285-0348.